welcome back to another vlog of mine. And as you see, I am plant heaven. Oh my gosh, look at these pretty ones. I don't know what's their name, pero I will research and I will tell you all about these plants. And we will know in this vlog 10 things about indoor plants, different kind of plants, and how to take care of them. So come on, let's start this vlog. I hope you enjoyed today's tour. Again, I'm going to mention the 10 types of best house plants. Siyempre kasama natin si Mr. Omar over here. And, oh my God. So, so let's go to the second part of the vlog. Second part. Oh, kasi tour yung una eh. This is the best place ever. Wala, I can sleep here.
Hello everyone, so we are going to talk about the 10 types of indoor plants that you need to have either in your home or in your office area. Alright, so plant number 1 is the snake plant, also known as the Sansevieria plant. These snake plants can help filter indoor air even at nighttime. It also removes toxic air pollutants that can cause cancer or different harmful elements in the air. So guys, there are types of snake plants. The first one is the bird's nest snake plant, and we have the cylinder snake plant and the Laurenti Sansevieria. So I have 2 tips on how to take care of your snake plant. First of all is don't overwater it. Make sure that your soil is completely dry, then that time you can water it again. The other tip is put or place your snake plant in a place that has indirect sunlight. Partial sun works best for the snake plants. Now plants number 2, the succulents. Succulents are a family of drought-resistant plants that have adapted well to dry environments. They store water in their leaves, stems, or roots, and as a result, those areas on the plants may be fleshier, swollen, or more pronounced. Here are the ways that you can take care of your succulents. First of all, make sure that your succulents get enough light. Succulents love light and need about 6 hours of sun per day. Also, rotate your succulents frequently so all of the sides can get enough light. Next is water your succulents according to the season. During spring and summer, the plants are thriving and drinking up much more water than when they are resting in the fall and winter. Not only that, you have to make sure that you let the soil dry between watering. Here are some types of indoor succulents. The zebra succulent, the ball cactus, fairy castle cactus, the plush plant, the hen and chicks, and lastly the sunburst. So plant number 3, Fittonia nerve houseplant. It is a tropically found plant with striking leaves of pink and green, white and green, or green and red. Growing a Fittonia as an indoor plant is very tricky. It requires very high constant humidity. Also, the nerve plant is sensitive to strong and direct sunlight. It will quickly suffer from leaf burn. As the nerve plants originate in a tropical setting, it flourishes within a high humidity environment. So try misting the plant or add a humidifier to duplicate the same condition. Also, do not overwater the plant. Let the soil dry out between watering. Plant number 4. It is the Monstera Swiss cheese plant. This is a tropical plant from Central and South America that is normally grown as a houseplant. The Swiss cheese plant is very easy to grow and it loves to climb. If you give it a stick or a trellis to grow upward, you will enjoy larger leaves with those unique holes. The Monstera grows best in indirect sunlight, or limit the exposure to just 2 to 3 hours of morning sun. Also, do not overwater the soil. Just check if it's nearly dry, then water it. This plant thrives on very high humidity, so you can use your own humidifier to reflect the same condition. And number 5, we have the dump cane. It is typically grown as a house plant. It requires medium light levels and moderate indoor temperature. This plant can be toxic for both pets and children. Also, this plant has an exotic appeal and has wonderfully shaped leaves with brush strokes of cream, yellow, and white, which enhance the shape of the leaves. Number 6, the rubber plant, also known as the Ficus elastica. The rubber tree is a popular houseplant because of its waxy leaves and larger-than-life appearance. The rubber plant can grow up to 100 feet in their native homeland of Southeast Asia. Rubber plants prefer bright, indirect light that isn't too hot. Direct sunlight can result in scorched leaves. These plants require more water during their growing season in the summer. You should keep the soil moist but not drowning. You should also wipe the leaves down with a damp cloth to keep them moist and to help your plant absorb more sunlight. Misting is another option if you don't want to wipe every leaf. Okay, so number 7 is the Zamioculcas zamiifolia, or to make it easier, the ZZ plant. The ZZ plant, with its wide, attractive, dark green leaves, boasts many favorable traits for offices and homes. ZZ plant tolerates neglect, it's drought tolerant, and accepts low light condition. It is also an air purifier, and in NASA study, researchers found it is specifically adept at removing copious amount of toxins such as xylene, toluene, and benzene from the air. This plant thrives in medium to low indirect light. It can also tolerate bright indirect light. Water every 3 to 4 weeks, allowing the soil to dry out between waterings. Number 8, the flaming Katy, also known as the Kalanchoe. Flaming Katy is grouped with the succulent variety of plants. This lovely specimen is often found in the gift flora section of your local supermarket. The leaves are thick and waxy like a jade plant, but have a sculpted edge. The plant gets about 12 inches high and just a little smaller in width. The flowers are real showstopper in bright colors like pink, yellow, orange, and red. The kalanchoe is familiar as a houseplant, but it is possible to grow them outside too. They need bright sunlight and temperatures of 65 to 70 Fahrenheit. It is very important not to overwater. Always allow the topsoil to completely dry out before watering again. Number 9 is the anthurium. Anthuriums are native to tropical America. It has more than 800 species. It is also known as the painted tongue, flamingo flower, or tail flower. They are grown for their brightly colored flowers and their ornamental leaves. These lovely plants can tolerate all levels of indirect light, but anthuriums growing in low light will have fewer flowers and will grow slower. Also, it requires that the soil be free draining but hold some water. Make sure to water your anthurium plant regularly but do not overwater it. Only water the anthurium when the soil is dry to the touch. And lastly, number 10 is the golden pothos, which is called also the Epipremnum aureum. An evergreen houseplant desired for its glossy green leaves on cascading stems. It only grows 6 to 8 feet as a horizontal ground cover, but the trailing climbing vines can grow as long as 40 feet. The golden pothos prefers medium light or well-lit but sunless. However, it will tolerate low light for long periods. It does best in medium relative humidity and moist soil. Wipe down leaves every so often to remove any collected dust. Okay, so we've come to the end of the vlog. I hope everybody enjoyed. And I hope that I inspired each and one of you to get your own indoor plant. Believe me, it gives a positive vibe in your surrounding. So again guys, please, for those who didn't subscribe yet, please do subscribe, thumbs up this video, and share as well. And guys, I'll see you in my next vlog. Bye bye.